Tala.
Tala, it's very nice to meet you. Who's the closest one to you? The one that knows almost everything about you?
It has to be family.
Family.
Okay, fine. My sister.
Your sister. What's your tall height?
5'7".
5'7".
So like I would say like 171. So what range is 170 to 173.
What about your birthday?
12/12/2003.
Your favorite color?
Blue.
Can you call your sister? I'll ask her 3 questions. If she answers it, I'll give you a gift. Hi, how are you doing?
Hello, good and you?
Hi, I'm very good, thank you. My name is Osama. So I got to ask you 3 questions about your sister. What's her height?
173 centimeters.
Yes, okay. What's her birthday? It's easy.
12th of December 2003.
What's her favorite color?
Okay, that's the hard one. I think it is blue, maybe? Like a shade of blue?
Yes, well done. Well done, okay.